Whenever I try to launch this Resident Evil 4, I got this error. An error occurred while launching this game, no licenses. To fix this problem, go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection. Select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. The game has been added to this list. Go back. Now select this virus and threat protection on the left side. Select this protection history. Threat quarantined. Click on and select yes. As you can see, the game file is in here. Select action and select restore option and select yes option. Now do the same thing if anything under here. This is other file, so don't restore anything unwanted. Now you can go back to the game folder and the file we restored is here. Now you can launch the game without having any problem. And that's how you can fix this problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.